Okay, I just wanted to do a quick update on these two shampoos that I was using and loving. I still do use, but not as often as I was before. So it turns out that there is a silicone in this. There's not parabens and sulfites, which is the stuff that really dries out and damages your hair, but there's a silicone. It's a water soluble, but you don't want to get buildup of silicone on your hair, because what happens is silicone like coats your hair and protects it, but then it also seals it and it keeps moisture from getting in your hair. So that's why sometimes you'll use a shampoo and then after a while you stop getting the benefits. Now that is probably because silicone has built up on your hair that you haven't been able to wash out. And so then you're not getting the moisture in your hair that you need. So what I've been doing is when I color my hair, I will usually use a mask and then rinse it out. And then I use the conditioner to kind of just lock in the color, and I can get the benefits of the shampoo. So I don't use this every shampoo now, but I do use it occasionally. The thing that I do to make sure I'm rinsing the silicones out is I use this stuff. So Briogeo. This is a charcoal coconut oil cleansing shampoo, like a deep cleansing shampoo. So it gets rid of any buildup on your scalp, and then it also gets rid of any buildup on your hair. When you use these though, you want to use a conditioning mask just to make sure you're not drying anything too much after you get that off. So this nice set comes together from Sephora, and this is a really great mask. No sulfates, silicones, or parabens. So none of the bad stuff, none of the buildup, and then you really hydrate your hair. So I have been using this, and I sporadically use this. They have a deal on these right now at Sephora. I think it's 49 bucks for both of them. They are big tubs though. They are 8-ounce tubs, and they usually last me at least 2 months, if not more. And I have a lot of hair. I have a lot of thin hair, but I have a lot of hair. So that's what I've been doing. So I just wanted to do a quick update and just let you know I still like this stuff. You can't use it all the time. All right. And I also have been using a new shampoo, which I'm going to do another video on, Virtue. I don't know if you've heard about them. I know Jennifer Garner's a big supporter of theirs. And so far I've had really good results, but I'm going to keep using that for a little while and see how that turns out and do a little more research on the ingredients. And I also have been using a new skincare, couple items that I think I'm going to switch to. So I'm going to do another video on that. Just wanted to give you a little heads up. All right. Thanks for watching.